Welcome back, Nail Queens. If you are watching this video, you clicked on this video, it's because you're interested in learning all about Revel Nail's 12 Days of Revel sale, what it is about this year because the sale changes every single year, and what I plan on spending my money on, plus how much money you have to spend each day to get the freebie or to get all the new products. So before I get started on what each day entails, a brief overview of what the 12 Days of Revel is a 12-day consecutive sale that Revel usually does around the 1st of December of every year. It kind of fluctuates a day or two, but the sale always starts and goes on for 12 consecutive days. So not every day is an actual sale, so I don't want you guys thinking that each day you're gonna get a cool deal. So Revel just announced their 2021 12 Days of Revel, what each day's promotion or new product release is going to be. So it gives us a heads up on what to plan for and how much money we should put to the side. If you are a dedicated Revel fan and you want to buy all of their things, you might have to put aside a little bit of extra money this year because they are really laying it on us this year. They even came out with 3 mystery boxes. What? Okay, so I'm gonna go through each and every single day, let you know what the deal is, and how much money it's gonna cost to get everything without rewards points. The first day of the Day of Revel sale starts on December 1st, and the last day starts on December 12th. So keep that in mind, mark your calendars, because these are happening, coming, and going fast. Keep in mind that every day of this 12 Days of Revel, Revel is offering an exclusive freebie dip powder for any customer that spends over $25 after discounts and before shipping. So you have to have a minimum of $25 out of your own pocket spent in order to qualify to get this freebie dip powder, which will be changing every single day. So if you want all 12, you have to spend $25 minimum 12 days in a row. Starting with day 1, it's Tools, Liquids, and Accessories Day. Revel's offering 15% off of all their tools, liquids, and accessories, plus they're launching 3 new products in this category. They're offering a wax pen that's going to retail for $7.99, so one end is a little wax end. It's great for picking up chunky glitters and placing them wherever you want on your nail, but also if you want to put cool things like gems on your nails. The other end looks like a dotting tool, so it might be a great cuticle cleanup tool if you don't have one yet, but dotting tools are great for using for nail art too. They're releasing different styles of nail decals, so they look like little sticker decals, and they're going to retail for $5.99 each. It doesn't show how many different ones they're going to release on the first day of Revel, so I can't really exactly tell how much is going to cost if you want to get all of their sticker decals. And the third item they're releasing is a $4.99 swatch stick pack. I don't know how many swatch sticks come in this pack, and they don't look to be branded with Revel's little logo on it, so honestly, I'm skipping on the swatch sticks. So I totaled up what those 3 new items are going to be, and it's $18.97. That's assuming they only release 1 sticker pack, but I have a feeling they're going to be releasing more sticker packs than that. But if you take the 15% off of that, it's going to bring your total down to $16.12. Remember, you need a $25 minimum to get that freebie dip powder. Personally, I will be skipping on day 1 because I'm going to get that wax pen tool a different day in the future because I don't feel like spending a minimum of $25 on things that I'm not super interested in. I've also come to terms that I'm not going to get every single day of Revel, every freebie, because honestly, $25 times 12 is a lot of freaking money. I'm going to pick and choose where I want to put my money, and if a freebie I can't live without ends up on the buy-sell trade, I'll buy it then. You're in luck on day 2 if you want to meet that minimum spend of $25 because they're releasing their all spruced up mystery box, and that retails for $35. Of course, you can use rewards points on every single day of the sale. I plan on doing it, so I'm going to take $10 off this little mystery box and pay $25 and not have to worry about shipping because for me as a powder perfectionist, shipping is free. Day 3 is their Chrome Day, so they're actually having a special promotion going on Chrome Day plus 4 new releases of 4 different new chromes, and you already know I want all 4. So their little special promo that they're having is buy 4 chromes, get 1 free, so I assume you have to have a total of 5 in your cart, 4 you're paying for, and then 1 is free, but I could be wrong. Revel already has 2 chrome collections, their holographic chrome collection and their mirror chrome collection. So now they're adding onto it and having a fantasy chrome collection, and I think this is really cool. It's giving me unicorn vibes. So they're coming out with 4 fantasy chromes, Aura, Fae, Halo, and Mystic. These colors are going to retail for $8.49 each, but remember, if you want to do the 4+1 freebie, you have to add 5 to your cart. So of course they only release 4 new chromes, but you have to have 5 in order to get that 5th one free. Go figure, go figure. So if you take advantage of the buy 4, get 1 free, or only buy 4, the 4 new colors, you're looking at a total of $33.96 out the gate without discounts or anything. So of course you're gonna meet your $25 minimum to get the freebie exclusive dip powder. I still haven't decided if I want to buy the chromes on that day. I have a feeling they're still going to be available in a future day, so I might combine an order. I'm not sure yet. Day 4 is a Glitter Fest day, and they have another promotion plus 6 new product releases on this day. So if you buy 6 Glitter Fest shades, you get a silicone mat for free. I already own the silicone mat, so I really don't care about that promotion, but if you don't own the silicone mat and you want it, this might be the day for you to buy the Glitter Fest shades. They're coming out with 6 new glitters, by the way, so their Glitter Fest shades retail for $8.49, unlike their traditional glitters that are $7.99. So don't get them confused, because not every single glitter that they carry is a Glitter Fest shade. Glitter Fest is just their luxury, more spruced up, more fancy glitters. So the new colors that they're coming out with are called Cliché, Maverick, Jive, Shindig, Bellini, and Antic. So those are 6 new colors, so of course I'm adding those to my cart. I might merge those 6 plus the 4 Fantasy Chrome shades together into one order. Like I said, I'm not sure if I'm going to order the Fantasy shades on day 3 or if I might order them on a different day. If you order all 6 new Glitter Fest shades, you're looking at a total of $50.94, but guess what? You get that freebie. If I do end up ordering those 6 new glitters on that day, I'm going to use rewards points to try to bring my order to as close to $25 or $30 as possible. Day 5 is a Flakes day, so what that means is the more money you spend on flakes, the more you're going to save. Revel has an incredible number of new flakes that they've released in 2021. Kudos to them for increasing their flake line. But these are kind of pricey. They're $8.49 per flake. So what they're offering on this promotion is if you spend a minimum of $35 on flakes, you're going to save 10%. So that's $3.50. If you spend a minimum of $50, you're going to save 15%. So that's $7.50 savings. And if you spend a minimum of $65, you're going to save 20%. So that's $13 savings right there. So I kind of hope that helped you understand how much you're going to save if you spend that minimum threshold, because it's their spend more, save more little bundle deal. They're also releasing 3 new flake pots. Never seen these before. So for $19.99, you can get their A Touch of Reflection flakes. For $24.99, you can get their A Touch of Opal flakes. And for another $24.99, you can get their A Touch of Rainbow flakes. So you have Reflection, Opal, and Rainbow flakes coming in a little 6-pot container. And they're also re-releasing the popular flaky color called Reflect that released in 2020 with their Modern Muse collection. So if you buy all 3 of those pots and Reflect, you're looking at a minimum of $78.46. This is not including the 20% discount that you're going to get by spending that much on the new flakes. I personally do not plan on purchasing this day. I'm more interested in mystery boxes and like color changers and stuff than I am little pots of flakes. Maybe I'll get them in the future, but they're not something that pull at my heartstrings right now. Day 6 is Two-Faced Day. So that means you're going to save 15% off of all color changers. So if it's a mood changer, meaning it changes thermal, a sun changer, or a glow, you're going to save 15% on any of those colors. They're also upping the ante on their new mystery box. It's called the Change It Up mystery box, and that's retailing for $45. Why is it retailing for $45? Because they're including 5 new 4-in-1 color changing shades. So that means the color changing is most likely going to be thermal and sun changing. So you're going to have your hot, your cold, your sun, and your shade, meaning 4-in-1. It can be 4 possible different colors. They're also releasing 2 new colors. They're mood changers that also glow. I'm not really in love with these colors, but if you are, you might want to get them. They're called Alter Ego and Tan Lines, and they're going to retail for $10 each. If you plan on getting the new mystery box and those 2 new color changers, you're looking at a minimum spend of $65. I personally am only feeling the mystery box at this time, so maybe the color changers will be available in the future and I'll snag those on a different day. Day 7 is Apothecary by Revel, meaning they're coming out with their own skincare line. Revel has released cuticle oils before in the past. They had different scents, I believe 4 or 5 different scents, but now they're coming out with a new pedi pack, moisturizing lotion, exfoliating scrub, and a nourishing cuticle oil. The prices are going to range from $7.99 all the way to $19.99 depending on which product you choose to buy, so it's really up to you. I have no interest in purchasing the Revel Nail's new skincare line. It's not really my cup of tea. I usually shop elsewhere for my skincare needs, but if you want to shop for Revel Nail's new skincare line and plan on getting all 4 new items, you're looking at a minimum spend of $60.96 before discounts. Day 8 is Mates Day. If you don't know what mates mean, it's Revel's mates, meaning they have matching polishes and matching gel polishes for their dip powder shades. They're offering 20% off of all nail polishes and gel polishes on this day. So they're coming out with a $15 lacquer grab box. It looks like there's only going to be 3 new shades in there, but don't quote me on that. That's just what the promotion photo shows, so there possibly could be more lacquers in there. They currently have nail polish mates and dip powder duos, but it looks like they're also releasing gel polish and dip powder duos for $13. Day 9 is going to be Throwback Thursday because they're bringing back some fan favorite colors. So whether you like the color Splash, On Point, Crater, or Misbehave, you have the opportunity to purchase one of these 4 colors during their Throwback Thursday day. They're also bringing back a favorite tonal set called the Coffee and Cream set and 2 theme sets, the Cherry Blossom set and the Rock and Roll set. I personally am not a fan of any of those 3 sets. I know why they're popular and I like that they're popular, they're cute, but they don't pull at my heartstrings, so I'm marked safe from this day. The only color I plan on purchasing is Crater, and that's going to retail for $7.99, so possibly the day that I didn't get the fantasy shades, I might add those to my cart on this day and meet the $25 minimum. And the $25 minimum is only so that I can get that day's freebie. I truly don't need to meet the minimum if I just want one color. And for their 3rd and final mystery box, they're releasing it on day 10. It's called the Cookie Exchange Mystery Box, and it's going to retail for $35. This tells me it's more standard shades like glitters, shimmers, and solids, not the 4-in-1 changers that we saw a few days before. So this mystery box is going to retail for $35, but of course you can spend rewards points or use discount codes. Day 11 is collections, kits, and sets. So you're going to be able to save up to 30% on a collection, a kit, or a set. That doesn't mean you're going to save 30%, but they're going to mark them down up to 30%. So the prices may vary. They're also offering free shipping on orders over $30. Me, as a powder perfectionist, I got free shipping on orders over $25, so that's not enticing to me, but maybe you're a nail novice and you don't get that feature. So this might be an enticing day for you to shop. They're also releasing 2 new tonal sets, Pink Ladies and Gray Skies. These are going to be shimmer tonal, so that all the colors in the set are going to be shimmer shades, not solids. Yay for that. And you can get them for $35 each or get both of them for $60. And day 12 is triple points, double points, or 10 extra points day. So depending on your status in their Revel reward system, whether you are a nail novice or a guest, you're gonna get 10 extra bonus points if you shop on this day. If you're a devoted dipper, you're gonna get double the amount of points from your order. So if you spend $35 on that day, you're gonna get 70 points instead of the traditional 35. And if you are a powder perfectionist, you're gonna get triple the amount of points. So I'm gonna let you in on a secret, and hopefully they don't take this away by watching my video, but I like to order my gift of Revel on this day so that I get double or triple the amount of points. I plan on getting the classy and sassy gift of Revel, so that retails for $175, but I use a $75 reward point voucher to bring it down to $100, so that means I can get a total of 300 points back for placing my order this day. 300 points equals $30 off of a future order. Plus it looks like they're doing a special little giveaway on this day, so the first 500 orders to spend over $100 after discounts are going to get a free Wanderlust collection shipped in their order. The Wanderlust collection is their first ever mates collection that they ever released, and it's perfect for summer. So if you plan on spending some money on this day, make sure your order is over $100 and you get your order in early. So I think I covered every single thing that's going to be launching on each different day of Revel, but if I missed anything, definitely let me know in the comments below, and I'll make sure to pin your comment or create a whole new comment and pin it to the top with all the new information that might be coming out. All right, happy 12 days of Revel, happy shopping. Look, I don't plan on shopping all 12 days of Revel, and I'm not shaming anyone that chooses to shop all 12 days of Revel. Good for you, get what you want, but I also want to let you guys know you don't have to go broke just because Revel's releasing new products. Most of these products, except for the mystery boxes and throwback colors, are going to be around for a while, so you can get them at a later date. For some of us, it's kind of hard to shop during the holidays because we want to spend money on our friends and our family and not so much on ourselves, but maybe you can treat yourself to one or two of the days, whichever ones you like the best. In order to grab every single new item plus all of their throwbacks and re-releases, you have to spend $575, and that doesn't include discounts or rewards points, so that's really like a huge thing to me. Like, don't go broke trying to buy all the new things. It's totally not worth it. A lot of these things are going to be around for a while, and who knows, maybe even next Black Friday when it goes 30% off. So right now I'm looking at spending money on only 5 of the 12 days. Totaled it up because I'm planning on using rewards on very specific dates. So it looks like my total that I'm going to spend over the course of the 12 days, not including Gift of Revel, is $112.99. Of course, it's an additional $100 because I plan on buying my Gift of Revel on the 12th day. So I hope this video offered you guys some insight on each of the 12 days that Revel is doing, what each deal is, if it's worth it for you guys, and letting you know if it's worth it for me, and what my game plan is. If you guys like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Be sure to hit subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!